This is Richard Shugart presenting SMB Digest Daily, your online audio and visual first communication highlighting items of interest to the math biology community for the Society for Mathematical Biology. Welcome to SMB Digest Daily for June 26, 2018. We start with what's new in the queue, where we display the newest advertisements that will be out in the next SMB Digest. Today we have 4 advertisements. This is the second announcement of the second International Erice Conference on Mathematical and Computational Epidemiology, which will be held at Erice, Sicily from the 28th of August to September 5th. Deadline for submissions and registration is now July 25th. However, early registration is strongly recommended due to the very limited number of people that can be hosted in Erice. For more details on the conference, please visit erice2018.wordpress.com. Just a reminder that the NSF Faculty Career Development Program deadlines are July 18th through the 20th. More information can be found at nsf.gov/funding and search for ID number 503214. The Department of Neurology at UC San Francisco is looking to recruit a faculty member with a strong background in bioinformatics, machine learning, and/or an interest in single-cell genomics, and have demonstrated significant achievement or promise in their field. An interest in neuroscience and/or cancer biology would be preferred, and bench space can be provided to support a wet lab program if needed. Please apply online at apptrkr.com/1239027. Harvard has started an initiative in quantitative biology. An important part of the initiative will be the NSF Simons Center for Mathematical and Statistical Analysis of Biology. The combination of initiative and center has 3 aims: advancing our knowledge of complex biological systems using mathematical and computational tools, developing new mathematics and statistics, and training a new generation of researchers in mathematical and computational biology. However, we are asking for your help to find applicants for 2 positions. All inquiries should be directed to QUANTBIO or quantbio at harvard.edu. The first is an executive director who would help us run the center. The ideal candidate would have a PhD in mathematics or biology, have a deep interest in promoting new science at the interface between mathematics and biology, have some postdoctoral and some administrative or editorial experience, have excellent scientific judgment, be willing to take initiative, and have the personal qualities that would make them an outstanding mentor of the young scientists in the center. We will also use some of the funding from the Simons Foundation to support a cohort of 4 independent postdoctoral fellows, each of whom will be appointed for 3 years. We are looking for spectacular young scientists who want to work at the interface between mathematics and biology, and are especially interested in those whose graduate training is in mathematics and statistics, and are interested in applying their knowledge and creativity to biological problems. The program and application procedures are described at quantbio.harvard.edu/postdoc_fellowships. And that's what's new in the queue. The next section is the Bulletin of Mathematical Biology highlight, where we spotlight online first articles in the Bulletin of Mathematical Biology, the flagship journal of the Society for Mathematical Biology. The first article is Identifiability and Reconstructability of Species Phylogenies under a Modified Coalescent by Long and Kubatko. Coalescent models of evolution account for incomplete lineage sorting by specifying a species tree parameter which determines a distribution on gene trees and consequently a site pattern probability distribution. It has been shown that the unrooted topology of the species tree parameter of the multi-species coalescent is generically identifiable, and a reconstruction method called SVD quartets has been developed to infer this topology. In this paper, the authors describe a modified multi-species coalescent model that allows for varying effective population size and violations of the molecular clock. The authors show that the unrooted topology of the species tree parameter for these models is generically identifiable, and that SVD quartets can be used to infer this topology. The second article is Stochastic Simulation of Pattern Formation in Growing Tissue, a Multi-Level Approach by Englund. The author takes up the challenge of designing realistic computational models of large interacting cell populations. The goal is essentially to bring Gillespie's celebrated stochastic methodology to the level of an interacting population of cells. Specifically, the author is interested in how the gold standard of single-cell computational modeling may be efficiently coupled with a similar approach at the cell population level. The author explains how to simulate the process in growing tissue using a multi-level approach and discusses implications for future development of the associated computational methods. Access to the Bulletin of Mathematical Biology can be found at springer.com/11538. Next, we have upcoming and last-minute deadlines. The deadline for attendance registration to the Conference on Computational Methods in Optimal Control at the Jackson State University, Jackson, Mississippi, USA, is July 1. The conference is July 23rd through the 27th. Go to siu.edu/JULIU/CBMS18 to register. The application deadline for a postdoc position titled Automatic Assimilation of Particle Velocimetry Data into Computational Blood Flow Models at the University of Edinburgh is the 1st of July. For more information, go to vacancies.ed.ac.uk and search for vacancy reference number 043938. The NSF Program Funding Opportunity Accelerating Discovery Educating the Future STEM Workforce proposals received by July 2nd will receive consideration for fiscal year 2018. More information can be found at nsf.gov/funding and search for ID number 505552. Finally, in the SMB newsletter, there is a research interview with Nick Cunniffe of the University of Cambridge. Nick believes the biggest challenges in mathematical biology are linking models with data and working out how to properly parameterize complex model data about how a particular disease spreads. He also says that his favorite paper is James Lloyd Smith's 2005 Nature paper on the effect of superspreading on the probability of disease invading. Nick also suggests that junior mathematical biologists consider working outside the traditional area of a math department. Lastly, the next SMB Digest Daily will be out on July 3rd, 2018. This has been Richard Shugart presenting SMB Digest Daily for the Society for Mathematical Biology and SMB Digest.